Great Northern beans. First I put them in a little bowl and pick out all the little black ones that don't look good. And I'm gonna add some water and some little baking soda, help with the gas. And I'm gonna let them sit for a little couple of hours before I put them on. Let that sit here for a little while. I'm about to broke my turkey leg because I don't like half of my leg sticking out of the pot. I like it to go all the way in, you feel me? So it's gonna be looking like that. I seasoned the water real good. I broke the leg of the turkey so it'll fit in there. Put a little olive oil. Got the heat on. I'm gonna put the lid on it with a crack and just let that cook for a few hours to get real nice and tender. Then I'm gonna add the beans and let them cook for an hour or so more. And the meat's gonna fall right off the bone. After I let my turkey leg boil for a while, I think I had it on for about an hour already. I want that meat to be real tender up in there. So now I add my beans. I added a little more water to it a few minutes ago, but I also added some chicken broth with the water to keep that chicken flavor, which will be inside of the beans as well. I'm gonna pour out some of this bean water and get ready to add them to the turkey breast that's cooking right now. You gotta watch them once you put the beans in, because the water soaks up. The bean soaks up the water kind of fast, and you look like you have a full pot and of water and juice, and before too long the water will be sucked all up and the beans will start burning at the bottom. You don't never want that. Let them cook for a while. Bread though. Put a little butter over the top of that. It's a go. The meat fell off the bones. I'm gonna get that to my dog. About 15 more minutes boiling. I like to put my cornbread at the bottom of the bowl. See all that turkey breast up in there, the turkey legs up in there. Add that into there like that. All that good turkey.